So, hold on. We have the, camera on. Let's, turn it on here. Oh, look at that. We indeed have a picture. You want to know why? Because my method of connecting this stupid thing was not working very well. But look at that. Perfect picture. Let's, also that zebra problem, that weird, like, filtering problem, was just a freaking setting. Yep. And it only shows through the viewfinder, which is working. Why is it? Is it showing off? That's really weird. Let me just, easy mode. Yep. If you turn on easy mode, it does it all for you. Now that's a good picture. You can see my VHS recorder camera. There it is. I could focus that baby in. Yeah. Now that looks like a pretty damn good picture, if I do say so myself. Kinda looks blurry to me. I don't know why. Let me just see if there's a difference if I disconnect this. Oh my, that makes incredible bit of difference. Ugh, these things are shit. Looks bad. Much better, clear. So we're not going to use that. This will be a dust cover. There. Oh, that is much better. Now that's a quality I've been wanting to see. VCR does actually work. Yeah. I'm gonna clean the heads soon. They haven't probably been cleaned since the early 2000s. I wonder if I could play this. Guess I can't play that. Shit. Oh well. I can make a little test recording. Yep. Let's do a little test recording. Now, that's how fast it goes. You can see why these tapes don't last very long. Oh shit. You can see why these tapes don't last very long due to the speed they play. But this is a recording. As we can see, this is a recording. We're recording hopefully a good picture. Let's do our color bars. And let's turn off easy mode. Look at that. There's our color bars. And I do believe they are correct. They do appear to be moving a tad bit, but it could be bad caps, I don't know. So, when in doubt, do not fabricate your own connector because it will not work. Now I need to get a BNC to composite adapter for this. But yeah, this is a test. This is also the test tone. Yep. Actually, that's the test tone. I'm actually going to be using this to make my own test tone tape for VHS troubleshooting and beta troubleshooting. So yeah, that's going to be awesome. Let's get up color bars. Look at that. It's just fabulous. And if we just go to easy mode, which is dumb mode. This is without easy mode, this is with easy mode. There we go. Much better. Much better picture. So hello. Hi. This is me using the betacam SP. And let's stop the recording. And let's rewind. This thing uses what Sony calls the 60-minute speed. Listen to that thing purr. Oh dear. Some paint peeling on the logo. I'm tempted to get this off so I can put my own logo, but I don't know yet. I might just put it over it. I don't know. Because that is actually literally stuck on there. It ain't gonna come off. Playback adapter. Don't got that. Oh, and also, that's playback adapter. Now you can see all the neat features this thing has, which I can't use unless it's out of easy mode. There we are. I think those colors are correct. Let's play it back. And it records in black and white. And the tape is obviously not good with this because, yeah. But yeah, you get black and white when you record over a digital betacam tape. Kind of. Quite nice. At least I know I could use the VTR part to get video out of it. Well, that don't look like a bad black and white picture if I... Oh, shit. Oh, this is old recordings. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Oh, shit. Ah, fuck it. Yep. So that is the recording I made with this. Now it's a little bit shaky, which could be bad caps, also could be the damn tape I was using. I'm hoping this outputs some sort of color somehow. Capacitor, it could be bad caps due to could be bad caps, which is why it's shaking, but look at that picture. You can't get a good picture like that anymore. Look at that. Ah, stunning. This is gonna be the last play before I clean the heads, cause for all I know, maybe why it's not recording colors, the heads are dirty as fuck. No telling though. Alright, let me play this again. Look at that. Ooh. I think that sounds fine. I don't actually know, but look at that. Black and white though. I might have to get the playback adapter for it. That might actually be the case. I don't know. But look at that. It recorded the color bars. Perfect. And we're back at that. So if I want to do like a cut, I can actually do a cut with those color bars, which will be cool. Yeah, it makes a pretty good damn picture if I say so myself. That's betacam SP. Now, I did record a video using the deck, and it's in color, so we'll show that too. Look at that, there's me. fabulous shit. Alright, that's at the end of the tape. Let's eject. Damn. This is like a 30-minute tape, probably? I don't know. I'm probably going to be filming movies with this. Alright, let's turn it off. Oh! Actually, hold on. Before I do turn it off, let me show you something here. So, when you're in the color bar signal, look at that. Hold on. There we go. And when you're in the color bar signal, look. Yep. That one's not leveled. Oh wait, hold on. I wonder. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Or I could just do, so say I'm not right, and then I just wanted auto for the second channel. There. Auto. And then there's a little speaker right here. Pretty neat stuff. Then mic, line. Cool. I don't know why it's counting. Date and time. 2 field hold. Don't know why it's doing that, but okay. Oh, also. Oh shit. Let me restart. Advance. So here is your head hours. 1,374 hours. Not bad. Here is, I think transport hours. 486 hours. And altogether 205, 2,562 hours. And back to the transport, back to the head, 1,374. So, this camera is not well used. Oh shit. Got back tally light right here, which does still work. Can't adjust these, but yep. I don't know why it's counting. Do auto. Yep. I'm gonna make a test tone tape soon. But yeah, camera still works. Now on to the test footage I made with this. Okay. Alright. Not so fast. We still have to clean the heads. Alright. Where did I do my screwdriver? Let's unscrew this. So this is how you get in the head department. This is how you get into the head. This is how you get in the head department. Now you want to be careful. There is a very sensitive wire. You just want to lay that down like that. Now here is your head department. We want to clean this VTR portion. Look at that. Head spins freely. I would take this off and clean those little rotor contacts, but I don't know. Actually, I don't actually know. And there's ants all over my fucking workbench because I don't know what the fuck they're doing. Okay, so when you're cleaning a camera, thanks to the freaking virus, I have 91%. That's a purple. Thank you, dumb preppers. Really, you should be prepping for food, not fucking alcohol. But whatever. And what we're gonna do is clean the heads. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly. And those things are pretty damn dirty. Oh, and that cleaned up that warm spot too. I guess this thing's never had a clean in its life. Till now. Still a little bit dirty. Just want to give the heads a good clean. I think we're clean now. Thing's pretty damn dirty. 91% alcohol, people. Not the best to do this shit, but at this rate. That's all I got. Holy hell, that thing picked up a lot of dirt. Look at this thing. Look at how dirty that is. Today's the day my fucking... Yeah, look at that shit. Oh, this might be the cause of why I don't record in Keller. Or, I don't know actually. Either it's that or something else, but jeez, ew. Picked a good day to clean the heads on this thing. I do believe this camera tells you whether the heads are dirty or not. But it apparently wasn't that dirty. Okay, that's clean. Clean enough for me. Now that head looks spiffy. Could also use a bit of oil, but you know, I don't really need to do that. Oh, I might. I don't know. Do I dare? Do I do? Oh my. God. Huh. It still has that worn line. I wonder. That's just a worn line. Records fine. Drum's a little bit worn, but you know, it's to be expected. Let's get Q-tips. Now, something you can really appreciate this broadcast technology for is the serviceability. This was back when shit was made to be serviced. Not so much anymore these days with broadcast equipment, I believe. It's just made to break on site, and you probably can't do shit about it. But, yeah, that's sadly how the world is now. This head ain't very dirty. If anything, it isn't. That's nice and clean. Line on that. I don't know if that's a scratch mark. Weird. Yeah. Perfect. Damn it. There, much better. The head's a bit worn, but you know, this thing was used all of its life. I don't think I'm gonna. Well, I may touch that controller. Damn, that thing got some good. Oh my god. Cord hitch. Oh, it did have some dirt on it, too. Jeez.
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna clean this. Oh shit. We're gonna clean this right here. I'm gonna clean this. So what you need to do is just remove a little itty bitty. Hopefully, you wanna unscrew that very lightly. Be careful not to lose it. You do not want to lose little tiny ass screws like this, which will not be good. Okay. Oh, there's ants literally living in this. that fell in the mechanism. Great. So I saw it. This is absolutely ridiculous. Ugh. Okay. Okay, I think I can. Yes, I can. There we go. Let's get another Q-tip. Alright, I'm back with a hopefully good Q-tip. Now we're ready to clean the little contacts on the drum. Oh, it's a little bit dirty. It's like none on that thing. Well, that's hopefully clean now. Let's put this back on. Oh shit. Wait a minute. Oh shit. Okay. Hopefully that works. No, I guess I should do this one last time. And then we have a fully serviced betacam SP. there. Now we're clean. Alright. Okay, I think we have it all put back together. It's just... Oh yeah. It's all put back together. Now let's put this cover back on. And with any luck, our camcorder should be restored. Hopefully the tape transfer still works. They do now actually have a leveling thing. So, with any luck, this may work. I don't know. Okay. We're recording a test tone with our sound. Alright, let's stop that. Oh, can't stop it. And wind a little bit. That sounds perfect. Hit play. Oh wow, that looks 10 times better. Oops. Shit. Look at that. That is 10 times better. Still shaky, but that looks very good. You see your black and white and stuff like that. Sadly, it is a black and white machine, but oh well. Look at that. Alright. That's a good test. Let's turn that off. Come on. There we go. This thing loads pretty much immediately. Look at that. Ain't that just gorgeous? TCG. As the numbers are counting. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty. And we should be having numbers. Yep. Yep. 106. Yep, 110. Yep. It's working. I think that's a real time counter as well. Now, any luck. Where's our time code? Time code in. There we go. Let's do our color bars. Let's stop our recording. I'm curious now. I wonder if I could stop it to exactly where I left off. If I could stop it to where exactly I left off. Preset. I don't know if I can. Sure that I can. Oh. Okay, that doesn't work then. I guess I could rewind. Okay, that's for that. I stopped at... I think I stopped there. Uh-oh. Why are we not getting play? Uh-oh. What does this do? CTDM. Is our test tone? Sounds perfect. I do have it on auto, yeah. And yeah. I would say that is done and restored. Alright, next time you see this, I'm probably gonna film with it when I get a microphone for it and tape. Well worth the money. So thank you for watching, and on to the test footage. Alright, here's the feed from the camera. There's your feed. Look at that. That looks pretty freaking great. The colors are beautiful on that flag. Let me just take the tape out so I don't waste battery. I'm thinking of actually doing a live stream with this camera soon, maybe tomorrow. But let me show you the killer bars. Killer bars are my favorite, obviously. Oh, shit. What do we got? Oh, I remember Daisy mode. I want you on killer bars. There we go. And there's your killer bars. And yeah, they look pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. I think they're also a way to check wipeouts, but I don't know. I got 4 bars of battery still left on this thing. Yeah. Alright, let's get out the color bars. Perfect. DCC on. Which I forget what the manual said about DCC. But, yeah. Look at that. The colors are absolutely correct. Oops. And stand by. Alright, there we go. I'm also using this as a microphone because I do not have a microphone for this camera. Quite a shame, but that'll be fixed soon. But yeah, look at this thing. I can also adjust the skin detail. Skin detail is on. Let's turn it off and see what it looks like. Oh, First zoom in. Oh, that would be like a macro shot. Ooh, look at that skin detail. Look at that. If I turn off this setting, I should not have skin detail. Oh, that makes not a damn difference. Maybe if I just turn on my light. Oof, look at that. Look at that thing. That's like freaking stunning. Killer! Oof. Yeah, my white balance is not good. STB. Easy mode. Without easy mode. Easy mode. I could also adjust these things manually. Like that right there that's perfect. Here's a cup. You can tell that the reds are just fantastic on this. They actually look red. Here's the Betamax. Betamax, look at that. It's also weirdly having a problem. Let me just show you. It's weirdly having a problem to where the audio dub light comes on for some odd reason. I don't know why it does that, but yeah. Hypergain. File, I don't know what the hell that does. Zebra, that's for the... I don't know what the difference is between these things. That's good. Yeah, but for some odd reason, the audio dub light comes on, and there's not even a tape in it. There's not a tape in this. What happens if I do put a tape in it? I wonder if I would be able to play this back. This is the tape that I just recorded using this camera. Let me just give you a crisp. That's definitely from macro. I keep forgetting this thing is not really all that advanced. Yeah. I could play a tape. Let me get a tape here. Let's test the colors on this thing. Oh my. That don't look right. Well, the colors, it shows the colors is better than before. Yeah, that's the color. Look at that. White, yellow, orange, dyeing tape. Let's put the tape in and see what it does when it's in freaking audio dub. Shit, I probably should not have done that. It won't come off. Is that messed up? I'm not in audio dub mode. I shouldn't be in audio dub mode. Yeah, it's just stuck in audio dub mode. I don't know why. Yeah, it's just the light is stuck on audio dub mode and I can't do anything about it. It's possibly something to do with the VCR. I mean, it's getting old. Oh, also look. Boom. I like that feature. That's a pretty cool feature. See? You zoom in and out. The iris is also adjusting itself, so yeah. That's the time. It's also very dirty. 8:25 p.m. Ooh, I wonder if you can huh. Okay. Perfect. Well, that is I guess that. I guess I could yeah, the battery's dying. This is the alarm. And also the red tally lights are coming on. Oh. Dying. I think that's all the features on this. So pretty soon I'll be having a microphone for this camera and a tape, but I may need the playback adapter, even get it to play in color. The reason why it's playing in color is because, well, this is the output from it, and it should be recording in color also, unless the signal is somehow encoded with black and white. But yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.